Yo, what's going on, you guys? It's your boy Jeremy Cash, and I'm here with a video for Yoonla Evolve. Okay, another Yoonla Evolve, I guess you could say review or update video, showing you that it does work. Okay, so what is Yoonla? If you don't know what Yoonla is a CPA platform that allows us to get paid by generating leads to the company. Okay, and so I'll show you right now. I have a $748 pending in this account. Okay, I've already got paid one small commission. Okay, so I'll go ahead and show you guys that. Payouts to me, I got $384 commission. Okay, when I got in at a certain time, so they cut off half of the commission. So I got $384. So it does pay. I got that straight to my PayPal account. Okay, so this company is absolutely real. It's absolutely legit, and I'm loving it so far. It's very user friendly and simple to do. I got paid on the 19th of April, and so just to update to show you guys. So pending, this is what I have coming. Okay, this month, which is in May. So I should have that coming soon. So basically how you guys, let me explain, what it is that you can do with this system. All right. So let me go here and I'll go to all commissions. Okay. And I want to show you guys something. So you can get paid, $2 to $4 for every lead that you bring in. Okay. You get paid $4 for every English speaking country. Okay. And then you get paid $2 for every non-English speaking country. The only thing that they have to do is enter their name and email, okay? And then the company will send them something. Once they confirm, you get paid $4 or $2. That's it. That's it. They don't have to buy anything necessarily. You will get paid off of just getting leads to the company, okay? So that's the basis of it, right? Now, as you can see here, let me explain this to you. So some of these commissions, they say, are declined. The reason why some of them are declined is because these are duplicates. Okay, that means someone tried to go in, multiple times. So they only pay you for it that one time for, per person. You can't, have multiple people doing it, continuously putting their same name and email in. They'll decline those. So you only get approved for those. Now, this system is very, very, very powerful, and I want to show you why. Okay, so the whole goal is to try to get your affiliates to upgrade to the elite membership. Okay, which in order to be an elite member, in order to do what I'm doing here and getting leads, you will have to be an elite member. Okay. You have to be an elite member to do what I'm doing as far as getting the get paid per lead. Okay, so when you decide to refer someone else to this company, okay, once they get started, you get $30, right? Okay, so let's say the person you sign up goes out and they want to sign up their friend or their neighbor or someone else. You'll get $30 for whoever they sign up as well. Okay, and this is not MLM or anything like that. It's direct sales, but it's great. Okay. So that's what the second tier $30 is, right? So the first tier I got paid when someone joined, and then when they went out and they got someone else to join, they got an additional $30, and they also sent me another $30 off of their efforts, which is really freaking crazy. All right, so as you can see, I got a lot of these second tier payments. So I got about at least $250 of money that I didn't even do any work on. Someone else did the work on it. Okay, so that's how powerful this system is, and that's why you can really build wealth with this system. Okay, you can really build wealth, long-term wealth with this, and I can see it, and it's very user friendly. So you get paid up to 2 or 3 different ways. Okay, so how can you guys get started with this? Okay, I want to show you that, but before that, I do want to assure you guys that you will have all the help that you need. Okay, we have top affiliates, which is where I'm trying to reach, that are doing $12,000 months, $10,000, $15,000 months. Okay, so this program is really helping a lot of people. Okay, and I want to show you guys that. I'll let this load up first here. We had one guy that did his first $10,000 month, okay, with this program. So if you know how to drive traffic, you do great. If you don't know how to drive traffic, we have a lot of training that can show you exactly what you need to do to drive traffic. Because necessarily, if they don't buy, you get paid. If they do buy, you get paid. Okay, so that's the great thing about that. So we do have a Yoonla, group here with about 1,300 members. The CEO is here, Reno. He does a lot of training and stuff in the group and letting people know what they can do. You get a lot of help in here, people showing their results and how much money they're making with the company. Okay, so someone made about 800 bucks right there. I mean, it's simple money. Okay, now you have to put in the work to get the money. So I'm not gonna just say that you're gonna get paid. I can't guarantee you anything, but if you put in the work, you will reap the rewards of it. All right. So how can you get started with this? Okay, below this video is my website. It will explain to you exactly what to do. It also has a video explaining pretty much what I'm explaining now. You can watch towards the end if you want to know exactly how to sign up, but I'll show you here. So once you go to my website, you'll go through the process, and then by the time you click create system, it will send you to a page that looks like this. Okay, you will enter your name and your email. Okay, just like everyone else. Okay, check your email, because the company will send you the members area, which is right here. Okay, so this part you get automatically for free, but honestly you can't really do anything as far as promoting and getting paid until you become an elite member. So definitely become an elite member, and I'll show you how to do that. And so you'll be brought to a page like this. The first thing you want to do is click this blue box up here. Okay, and then it may bring you down to a yellow box here, or it may just have 3 steps. Okay, once you do that, you'll see 3 steps that you need to complete to get started. Okay, now the first step is getting yourself an autoresponder. An autoresponder is a platform that allows you to collect emails, okay, to build an email list. Okay, so if you know anything about email lists, so let's say you went to Target or Walmart, right, and you signed up. Let's say you're at the register and they had you signed up to be on their mailing list, so whenever they have updates or discounts or stuff, you'll be the first to get it. So you decide to sign up, and then one day they're having a sale on big screen TVs and they send you an email, right, and you go buy a TV. So that's kind of what building a list does. You build up a list, and then whatever company or whatever business or whatever product or service that you have, you can email that list instead of going out prospecting all the time. All right, so first thing you want to do is get the email package here. Okay, this is the one that they require you to get here, the basic one. So you'll choose that. Okay, you'll just go through the process, right? Creating your account, blase blase. All right, you guys get that. Yeah, you guys get that pretty much. After that, you'll go to step 2, small business hosting account. So once you click that, you want to come here. Oh, and you want to get the advanced. You can't get any other one. Don't get any other one but the advanced. Okay, it's recommended for you to get this one. All right, so you want to do that. Choose this plan. It'll have you do a domain name. If you already have one, use that, but you can create your own domain name here. All right, and let's say this one won't be available because we already have it, but I'm just gonna give you guys an example. I'm walking you through this so you'll know exactly what to do. Okay. So once you do that, come down here, purchase whatever domain name you like. Okay. Then it'll take you to the next step. Okay. You just continue to follow that step. Now, you need to do a year's worth of hosting. Once you get to the page where it has the hosting packages, you need to do a year's worth of hosting. So total, you're gonna spend around $75. Okay, and they do have a coupon code that you can put in to make it cheaper. They're running a special, so it may be discontinuing really fast, but this is the promotional code here. So this is their discount code. It's special in all caps. If it doesn't work, then that means either they're using a different one now because they switch it up from time to time, or that's just discontinuing, it doesn't work anymore. But don't be scared to pay the price, you guys. Trust me, I've already, as you can see, I have already made my investment back 10 times over. Okay, spent what, 70 bucks, 80 bucks, 700 here, $300 already paid to me. I mean, you guys, the system, it works. Okay, put in that work and it works. Don't be afraid to spend money in this industry. you're gonna make money if you continue to, put your best foot forward. So the last thing is the last step. So the last step is the step number 3. All right, and that will bring you to this page here, your activation. So once you get all your Yahoo, your domain name, you'll just put that there. Your Yahoo username that you got from Yahoo, your Yahoo account, your get response stuff here. Okay, you want to just come down here. This is an important part because this is what's going to allow you to be on my team. My referral ID will be on my website. Okay, it's also right here if you guys need to see it. Okay, it's the 5. It starts with the 5A, the old CBCFF235BD. Okay, that's the ID number that you need to put in that box right here. It will also be on my website, so you can copy and paste it. Make sure you do that so they will place you on my team, and that way, you can get you the proper training and things that you need in order to succeed in this business. Okay, business is very simple, man. I love the system. I'm in it before it's going viral. Because once this does go viral and the big, the real big guys get on it, then I'll, already have myself positioned to win. Okay, so get on my team. I'll show you guys exactly, what you need to do. You can also have my email softwares if that's what you want to use, and then you could also get some additional bonus training for joining my team. All right, you guys. So this company, man, pays great. Okay, it's already, paying me out, and this is only one stream of income for me, one of the streams of income for me. So I approve of it. If you guys want to get started, I mean, you can get these. Look, all these leads just coming in on the same day, day by day. So I would say get into it, man. This is something that you could, it's all about creating passive income, putting in past efforts and getting paid, futuristically. For the efforts that you did a long time ago. All right, so give this video a thumbs up. If you're interested, go ahead and click the link below. Watch the video. Go ahead and get started. Let me know as soon as you start so I can get you to some training and we can start getting you paid, or working on getting yourself paid with our team. So see you guys later. I'll be uploading more value videos, teaching you guys other ways to make money. But I approve of this system. This is one of my top income systems that I'm going to use this year to make some good money. So with that being said, see you.